Hear them ringy-dingy-ding-ding-dong. Hear them ringy-dingy-dingy-ding-dong. Hear them every day until Christmas. My burden to gift this ringy-dingy-dong all day. All day, all day, my bell will ring true. From the morning to the evening, ringy-dingy-dong for you, for you, for you. I do this for you. There will be no silence. I do this for you. For what would be Christmas without any bells? A terrible quiet that makes you unwell. Yes, what would be Christmas without any bells? A chasm of darkness, a ladder to hell. Don't leave ringy-ding-ding-dong. Don't leave ringy-ding-ding-dong. Don't leave, stay with me till Christmas. The bells keep you with us and the darkness at bay. All night, my bell will ring true. From the sunset to the sunrise, ringy-dingy-dong for you, for you, for you. I ring them for you. There will be no silence. I ring them for you. A bell on my head, 6 bells in my hands, and a little bell and a big bell and a bell on a stand. Their curves, their shines, their dings are sublime. I've hugged them, well I rung them in.